Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to find the second derivative. Okay, so second derivative can be denoted as d2y over dx square. This is the second derivative of y with respect to x. Second derivative is the derivative of the first derivative, means d by dx of dy over dx. Here we can see that d comes twice, that is why we have written d2, and dx square comes twice in the denominator, that's why dx2. Okay, so to find the second derivative, first we need to find the first derivative of the y. So let us write dy over dx is equal to d by dx of our y is x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Now using a power rule, the derivative of x cube would be 3x square minus 3, derivative of x square would be 2x, and plus derivative of 2x would be just 2. Okay, so after simplifying this would be 3x square minus 6x plus 2. Okay, so this is our first derivative. Now let us find the second derivative. So second derivative is d2y over dx square is equal to d by dx of dy over dx. Let us substitute the value of dy over dx here. So d by dx of 3x square minus 6x plus 2. Okay, so this would be equal to, the derivative of 3x square would be 3 times 2x minus derivative of 6x would be just 6, and the derivative of 2 would be 0. So this is equal to 6x minus 6. This is our second derivative. I hope this video will help you to understand how to find the second derivative.